actually start immediately when they start receiving information.
Right.
Because of two reasons. They used to, and then people would complain, the sound's not lined up, the video's choppy, it keeps stopping. So it actually has a built-in thing now where it actually will spool the data before it actually starts streaming it out. So that way you sound's not lined up, the video's choppy, it keeps stopping. So it actually has a built-in thing now where it actually will, and that's why the delay is actually there. Data. It allows the
before
data
it actually
to
starts streaming it out. So that way you sound's not lined up, the video's choppy, it keeps stopping. So it actually has a built-in thing now where it actually will,
and that's why the delay is actually
the
there.
data before it actually starts streaming it out.
So we're like actually 20 seconds behind. See, that's the time I just did.
10, 15 seconds.
Before it actually starts streaming it out.
We're like actually 20 seconds behind. But the reason why this is happening, and this is another like piece that you need to explain to the kids, is you can't have the hangout. I mean, you can't be monitoring the stream on the same computer as the one that you're doing the Google Hangout on, because you'll have that happen.
And whoever has the monitoring needs to have headphones on.
Yeah. So, I mean, part of like one of these kids' jobs could be monitoring the live chat. So if you're in, and also you could have moderated chat. So look,
it wouldn't be on a Padcaster, but it would be on a Chromebook or a computer.
But you see right here, here's the chat feature right here. The chat window's right there.
Right.
So, you could open up the dialogue. You could even make it moderated comments.
Ideally,
so you have a kid go, if this is wrong, it's not going to be posted.
Right. And ideally you have that big monitor for the Z Space, because you can actually use the one monitor as a dual monitor where they have the stream up and then the chat up on the other one. So you can have one person really doing both, or you have two different computers.
Okay.
Is that a dual monitor like computer?
It's huge. The screen is like this big.
That size.
Hello.
Hi.
So yeah, it'll kind of give them a pretty good idea. What's up? How are you? Thank you. Yeah, that seems like it'll work. Again, go back and try to do it on the computer again. Maybe it was I didn't let it buffer long enough to hit start
see if it's even
broadcast.
possible, because the iPads just might not have the hardware, to be quite honest with you.
Yeah.
Okay.
It already looks like it's lending itself to at least having the functionality, because it was prompting us to download apps. But Google has thought about the prospect of doing it with the pads. I mean, you've got these Padcasters, got to be able to do something, and this is the easiest way. Honestly, I wouldn't say easiest, but free, easy way to do it, to get a YouTube live with the Padcaster. And then everything happens on the pad.
So is there a reason why we wouldn't want to record and archive the information?
No, there's not a reason. I mean, I think